All right, everybody, welcome back. I'm excited to really dig into some of this stuff with you today.
Nice. Yeah.
So we're diving headfirst into XRP today.
Yes.
You might have seen the headlines.
I'm sure you have.
XRP prices have been going crazy.
Lonkers.
Almost doubling in value in just 1 week.
Yeah.
It's enough to make your head spin, really.
Remarkable.
And what's even more interesting is this surge is happening alongside some record-breaking activity from what we call the whales.
The whales, yeah. So those are the folks out there with a ton of XRP.
Right. So it's like these crypto giants are making these big moves, and everyone else is
Trying to ride the wave.
trying to ride the wave. Exactly.
Yeah. And, understanding those whales and why they're making the moves they're making right now, that's really crucial if you want to navigate this whole world of crypto.
Right. It seems like some really serious action is going on behind the scenes.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so we're talking about some serious money here.
Yeah.
But are all whales the same?
That's a great question, and the answer is no. There's actually a bunch of different types of whales out there. They all have their own motivations and strategies.
Okay, so what are some examples of the different types of whales?
Well, you got your institutional whales. These are like your big investment funds, pension funds, things like that, and they're usually playing the long game.
They're not trying to make a quick buck.
Exactly. They're looking for that slow, steady growth over time.
Okay.
Then you have your individual whales. These are high net worth individuals.
Okay.
And they could be a little bit more prone to some, shorter term speculation.
Gotcha.
So you got to kind of understand who you're looking at
Right.
when you try to figure this all out.
So how can we figure out what's driving these whales? Is it just a feeding frenzy? Or is there something bigger going on here?
Yeah, it's a great question. And, one really interesting piece of this whole puzzle is this recent announcement of XRP's integration with a major payment platform.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And so this suggests that these whales, they might be anticipating increased adoption, more people using XRP, and that's pushing the value up.
So they're basically betting on XRP becoming more mainstream.
Right.
Yeah. But the crypto market is notoriously volatile and unpredictable.
Totally.
How
Yeah.
could anyone, even these whales, be so confident?
Well, you're absolutely right. There's always risk involved. And, while whale activity can be a really bullish signal,
Okay.
it's really important to consider a bunch of other factors, too. Things like overall market sentiment, regulatory developments,
Right.
and even the potential for market manipulation.
Market manipulation.
Yeah.
So even with all that money, these whales might be trying to play the system.
It's a possibility. It's tough to prove definitively, but there are some analytical tools out there
Okay.
that track large transactions and trading patterns that can help us kind of identify potential red flags.
Gotcha. So we can't just blindly follow these whales.
Exactly.
We need to be smart, look for the clues, and...
Be informed.
Right.
Do your research.
So we've got this massive surge in XRP price, likely fueled by whales, who are anticipating increased adoption and utility.
Right.
But it's not a guaranteed win.
No, definitely not.
There are still risks and the possibility of some shady stuff going on.
You always got to be careful.
So the key takeaway here is that understanding whale activity is just one piece of the puzzle.
Exactly one piece.
What does all of this mean for you out there listening?
Yeah, good question.
Well, what if all this whale activity is just the tip of the iceberg?
Ooh, I like that.
What if we're about to see a huge shift in how the world sees and uses XRP?
That's something to think about.
Keep a close eye on this one because things are about to get interesting.
Yeah, this is definitely one to watch.
All right, thanks for joining us, everybody. We'll see you next time.
Yeah.